Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Okay, I hope you're not bored of me trying different hair tools to try and create a gorgeous curly hair, because I'm not done. I'm not finished because I'm still struggling and I'm not getting the look that I want to achieve. Now, if you don't know, I have very straight hair, naturally straight hair, and it's very hard to hold a curl, but I keep trying. Today, what I will be trying is the hair rollers, and I got this, which is the boutique, is that how you pronounce it? Salon ceramic rollers. This is what I want my hair to look like. This cartoon character here is what I want to achieve, okay? I don't really know how to use rollers. I have never used a roller, so this should be fun. So they say it is a Salon ceramic rollers, professional roller set with large size rollers and heated clips to create dramatic volume and glamorous loose curls with a long lasting salon finish. Sounds promising. Now I see everyone using rollers and I love the look. They make it look so easy. It's just like this, clippity clip, done. Okay, so this is what the item looks like. So it comes in this case, and then no, that doesn't open. How do you open it? Oh, it just slips up, and then you open it, and then inside you have these rollers, which are velvet. They are all the same size, and then in here we have the clips that also heat up. I like that it's velvet. I feel like it'll be less damaging on the hair. So the instructions, collection, blah de blah de blah, important safety notice, nobody reads that. So these are the 32mm rollers, just so you know. I'm assuming that they must have different size ones then, but I've got the 32mm one. It says to use the heated rollers on dry hair. Basically, turn it on. There is a dot on one of them. Oh yeah, I see it, a little red dot. And then once that dot becomes white, it's reached maximum temperature. Comb through the hair and select a roller. Take a section and then wind it down, and then use the clip to keep it in place. I'm gonna bring it down to the floor, plug this bad boy in, get it to the temperature, and then we're hoping for the best by the looks of things. Okay, so while this is heating up, I am going to section off my hair, I guess. It says to put it into 3 sections, so I guess that's what I'm doing. Okay, so the little dot has now gone white, which then indicates that it is now hot enough. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna do the middle part first. Now it comes with, how many? So it comes with 12. There are 12-year-old girls, Jazz, that is not struggling as much as you are. Because I know you gotta pull it tight. Okay, so I can't see if you can see, but I'm wrapping it round. I'm trying to keep it as flat as possible as well. Trying to keep all the flyaways in. Okay, pull it as tight as you can. And then I guess we use one of the clips to clip it in place. That doesn't look right. It just seems too loose, you know? Probably people watching this screaming at me like, no, you're doing it wrong. Next section. Get it? Okay, and then do it. Clip and clip it down. Tell you what, I'll get an arm ache just by doing this. I don't know if I'm doing it right, but if I'm doing it right, it's actually quite quick. And I've seen girls with a lot more hair than you, Jazz, and a lot thicker, that can do it. So don't even try and see, it's because you got too much hair. So how do you do this one? Roll it from underneath, I guess, right? So, got it. Wrapping, and then that end bit, bruv. Okay, I think we're doing it. Okay, so then, and then, did I do it? It just feels really loose. I don't know. By the way, if you notice I'm doing anything wrong while doing this, please let me know in the comments, because I'm just going with what I think is right and what I've kind of seen other people do and what it's telling me to do. Get a clip. Ow. It's kind of burning my ear.
Oh my god, I would yam her pussy.
I'm filming and that's currently on video.
Oh, what, you're on a video right now? I've got a question to ask.
I'll pause it, hold on. Honestly, men are trash. No. They were just my besties. You'll see them in a video when I'm allowed to have corona-free home. Well, I don't have corona, but I mean, like, you know, we're not on lockdown. I know that the front bits are like the most important part, because that's obviously the bit that everyone sees, like face on. So I want them to be like the best parts. I'm feeling confident. I mean, I say this, but I know someone's yelling at me, being like, Jazz, you're doing it wrong, you're gonna waste your time. Honestly, right, there are girls younger than me that make this so easy. Like, I just want to look pretty and girly and glamorous. Like, I don't want to always look like such a tomboy, which I know is what I look like majority of the bloody time. Like, the reason I grew my hair long, the reason I grew my hair long was so I could do more hairstyles, because all I had, it was straight, down, or up in a pony. And I've grown my hair, so now do something with it. We're on the final hair strand. Now I'm going to turn this off, and then it says to leave it until it's cool. Now I know what people usually do is they would do their makeup and everything while this is doing its thing. So what I am going to do is sit. I'm going to wait an hour. Is that long enough? And hopefully I'm gonna have the cute curls that everyone has. It's been about an hour now, and what I'm gonna do, because I've seen a few people do this when they have rollers in, is I'm gonna get a hairdryer and just quickly blow some hot air onto this, kind of warm up the rollers again, and then just leave it for like another 20 minutes. So that's what I'm gonna do now, and we shall see. So we are now going to take these off. These have been on for an hour and 20 minutes, like, and reheated. So I'm not really sure what I'm meant to do. Do I just unclip and then like this? Oh no, it's come. No, twist it, twist it. That's what people do, don't they? Slight curl. Okay. Okay. Oh crap. Oh no, this one's tangled. There we go. I don't know if that's what people do, right? I don't know. Okay. La, 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 la. Oh, that one was a bit more curly. Oh crap, oh crap. Oh. La 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 la. I'm seeing a lot of kinks. See the back, because I can feel one really irritating my head. I can't see what I'm doing. can't see that one. Well, it's not important then, is it? Oh crap, dropped it. No, I've tangled it. This one's very oh no. Oh, that one was well curly. Okay. I think I'm twisting it. I'm twisting it the wrong way. Come on, Jazz. Maybe I should have hairsprayed it. I'm starting to think I should have used hairspray. Oh, that one just wanted to drop out. It didn't even give me a chance. Oh crap, same with that. Oh crap. Well, that one, same with that one. I got the gun down. No, no. Ah. Just, come on, come on. There we go. Okay. You know what? I mean, I don't hate it. I like this curl. The top curl was nice. Did I do it right? I mean, this curl's quite nice. I quite like it. It's done something. And I think it's literally just going to be about practice. But I see the potential that could be. Let me see. Hold on. Guys, what does it look like? I mean, when I look at it like that, I don't think it's done much. I mean, it's done something. And I think it is just something I'm going to have to practice. However, I can tell that I'm going to love it once I figure it out. Like, I think it looks like so nice. Like, I feel glamour, and this isn't even like done anything. It's just added a little bit of wave here and there. Like, I haven't even figured out how to do it properly, but I can see the potential and I'm in love, and I really need to practice to figure out how to do it because I'm in love with it. So yeah, does it work? Yes. It's just something that you are gonna have to take practice in. Like, it's gonna take practice. And I forgot how much this was. I believe I got it, it's under 50 quid, I know that, and I believe I got it at a discount place, and I think it was like 35 quid. I'll double check anyway. So far, out of everything I've used, this has been my favourite look so far, and I haven't even done it properly. If there is anything that I was doing wrong, please let me know in the comments below, because I want to learn this. And I need your guys' help. So if you haven't already, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and if there's anything else also you'd want me to try, let me know, and I shall see you next time. Bye!